Hey money moguls, welcome back to Money Talks, your go-to hub for mastering the art of financial freedom. Let's dive into today's video and explore how to create a budget, a plan for your money that helps you manage it wisely. Number 1. Calculate your income. First, figure out how much money you earn each month. This includes things like your job earnings, allowance, annuity, commissions, or any other sources of income. 2. List your expenses. The next thing you need to do is make a list of all your expenses, things you spend money on, like rent, groceries, phone bills, car payments and car insurance, etc. 3. Categorize your expenses. Break down your expenses into categories, like housing, food, utilities, transportation and entertainment. This makes it easier to see where your money is going. 4. Estimate your expenses. Estimate how much you spend on each category per month. If you're not sure, you can look at past bills or receipts for your amounts. 5. Subtract expenses from income. Now, subtract the total amount of your expenses from your total income. This amount will tell you how much money you have left over after paying all your bills and personal expenses like a haircut, nails or stopping at the coffee shop. 6. Adjust as needed. If you see that you have more expenses than income, look for areas where you can cut back so that your expenses do not exceed your income. If you have extra money after all the expenses are taken care of, consider saving or investing it. 7. Review regularly. Review your budget regularly to make sure it's still working for you. Life happens and sometimes our circumstances change, so your budget might need to change too. 8. Stick to your budget. Lastly, try your best to stick to your budget. Try your best to avoid impulse purchases and stay disciplined with your spending. And there you have it, creating a budget in a nutshell. Before you go, show us some love by hitting that like button and sharing this video with your fellow enthusiasts. Join our growing community by hitting subscribe, and be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. We'll see you in the next video.